Meet Abhishek, who is a director of an FMCG firm. Abhishek needs cars for two of his managers, but using his capital on a depreciating asset is not beneficial for his business. Meet Inder, who works in a software company. Inder is looking to buy a new SUV, but he's concerned about depleting his savings. Now meet Rajesh, who is the owner of RG Logistics. With his business expanding, he now requires more cargo vehicles for his day-to-day operations. But buying vehicle will have a negative impact on his balance sheet and will affect his borrowing capacity. Buying a car with cash or on loan doesn't work for them. What do? Well, SMAS Leasing India offers a better solution. Introducing the smart way to drive the car of your dreams. Car leasing by SMAS India. Are you wondering what car leasing is? It is a way of acquiring a brand new car for a flexible tenure and mileage as per your requirement. Are you too willing to upgrade your ride without spending a lot? Whether you're looking for a cool hatchback, a sleek sedan or a spacious SUV, Car Leasing by SMAS makes owning your dream car affordable. Leasing a car has many benefits like zero down payment, tax saving options, planned monthly rentals, customized solutions, easy accessibility through online portal and a user-friendly mobile app. You can also customize your lease term and mileage limit that best suits your lifestyle. Choosing SMAS India as your leasing partner also means that you have a hassle-free user experience throughout your lease tenure. You have the option of choosing a comprehensive package where your lease rental covers your car's maintenance as well as insurance management. Our exclusive maintenance consulting service allows you to connect with our experts who can review the proposed service items and confirm what is truly necessary and ensures that you only pay for the services your vehicle genuinely needs. Moreover, we will make sure you get the best insurance plan and your premium is taken care of as part of your monthly lease rental, which means that you can let us worry about all the hectic processes and paperwork and enjoy your driving experience to the fullest. At the end of your lease tenure, you can simply return the car to us, or if you've fallen in love with it, you can choose to buy it outright. Or if you are looking to sell your car for the best price, you can do so through our used car bidding platform, where car sellers and buyers connect for a seamless experience. And guess what? All our services are available to our users at the touch of a button through the SMAS India mobile app. Experience the joy of driving without the hassle of ownership. Car Leasing by SMAS India is the smarter way to get behind the wheel. Reach out to us today.